Okay. Oh, have to start all over again. This is what happened behind the scenes. It's crazy. Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I want to come and share with you guys some few products that I picked up from the TK Maxx, and I also picked one from the Action, which was really surprising. I was at the Action yesterday. I went to pick up some few products at the Action, and then I saw this Cantu hairstyling cream. It's like a gel form. I saw it there and I was quite surprised. Its retails for I think €3, and I was quite surprised to see it there because I'm like, wow, the Action is really expanding. They're really having multiple products in it. They're really expanding. So I saw it there and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna pick this up. I want to try on my daughter's hair because she has like a curly hair. I really want to try on her hair. So this is also one of the products I picked up from the Action, and the rest I picked it up from the TK Maxx. So I picked up their styling gel. I pick up their hair mask, deep conditioner. It's a mask. I really love this one. And I also pick up their whip shea butter cream. I also love this one, and I also pick up their leave-in conditioner. I love this one, and I also pick up their Kids curly cream. I love this. So I picked up like bunch of product from the TK Maxx. I normally just go to the TK Maxx randomly, and then I'll see some nice product, and if I like it, I'll pick it up. So this day I went there and I saw all of this product from Cantu, and I just decided to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products from Cantu at the TK Maxx, which I really like. You know, this gel, I can't wait to like slick my hair all back with it. And this one I have been trying it on my daughter's hair. Loved it. It's really beautiful. And I have been also using their whipped cream and the leave-in conditioner on my own hair. So today I'm about to moisturize my hair, and I want to come and show you guys how I moisturize my hair. Yeah, I relax my hair a little bit because I'm just tired of the 4C. Even though my hair is relaxed, but it doesn't look like it's relaxed. It looks like it blow dry or something. My hair is very thick, so yeah, I relax it, and I just want to come and do a quick moisturizing. And I'm still using my hair growth oil that I make on my edges, so I'm really trying to be consistent on my edges. Actually, now that I'm relaxed, you can actually see that my edges is really gone. So I'm really very consistent with it. So this is a conditioner. This is some leave-in conditioner, oiled and water. So I'm gonna first start with that. Spray my hair, because all I have been doing is just put my hair all back without no gel, just naturally with some hair products and some water. Just spray it like this, and then what I'll do is I'll like to go in with the leave-in conditioner. This one, I really like it. I take quite a good amount actually. I like to first start with the top, because you know the top of the hair is the oldest part of the hair, and I go in with quite a lot. I really like my hair to be like really soaked in with this product. You know, like really soaked in with the product. Really get everything in. It smells so good. I really liked it. And the whip shea butter cream is very thick. This is something that I really like. As you guys can see, I've been digging in on this particular one because it's really thick. It still gives me like the feeling of, there's this shea butter whipped cream I also made to moisturize my hair, and this one kind of gave me that same feeling. You know, it's very thick, and I love the way it just laid onto my hair. So, like that. And after that is done, I'm going to take my hair growth oil This is just what I have been doing, and I just go in with the oil on my scalp. And just like press this all over. And then later I'll go in with my finger and try to massage the product in my head. I like to get a little bit, as you guys can see, it's running out. I like to get a little bit on my, it's running out on my neck, on the back of my head. Really massage this product. My hair looks a little bit wet now because, like I said, I went in with the product quite a lot. Oh, this process feels so good. Like this massage, I can feel the oil like running around my ears. That's how much I pour in. And I actually do this every other day. I don't moisturize my hair every single day. I do it every other day. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the oil and then focus on that top as well. And now all I do is I just take my brush, my comb, and I just comb it all back. This is all I do. I just comb it all back. Because you do have some shed, not much, but this is like almost like I try to moisturize this every other day, especially when it is on, I'm leaving it like this when I'm not doing any protective hairstyle. So this is all I do, guys. And then as for the back, let me try to show you. What I'll do is I'll try to hold this and braid it. And then tuck it in like this. And then if I want, I could do some baby hair, but for now I just want it all back. And I'm just gonna take my head tie and tie everything so that it lays very slick. Like this. So I'm gonna leave it like this for a couple of minutes, and then everything will be laying down very slick. I don't need to put any gel, and I can have this on for at least like a week if I want to, or if I'm going to moisturize my hair, I'll just take it and then do the same process and moisturize my hair. But if I can be honest, for the last 6 days, I just did this process and I just leave it like this. And all I did was just put some oil on my edges and try to massage that. And then I didn't really touch this part. So this is what I do. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like. Stay tuned. This is the finished results with the hairstyle. It's a very simple sleek back, as you guys can see. I didn't use any gel because I don't want to be washing my hair all the time, because when you use gel, that means you have to wash your hair to get rid of the residue in your hair. So that's the reason why I didn't use gel, because I'm not intending to be washing my hair every single time. With this one, it's very simple. You can refresh it and redo it again. All you have to do is moisturize your hair, take a spray bottle of water, spray it, brush everything at the back, and then tie your head. And what I do at night, I just tie my head at night before bed, and when I wake up in the morning, it's just easy. After getting myself ready, after getting ready, it's just easy. Just take it off and your hair looks really nice and really simple for work. So you don't have to do much. It's like the morning, getting ready for work in the morning is much more easier when my hair is like this. And yeah, I really loved it. It's very simple, nothing fancy, but it looks really classy. I really love this. Very elegant, very simple, very classy, and I love this. And sometimes when I go to work, especially when my hair is relaxed like this, I don't really do makeup. All I do is fix my eyebrow, and sometimes I do wear some fake eyelashes. Sometimes I don't. I just put a little bit of mascara and I go in with some red lipstick and I'm ready to go. Today I go into church, so definitely I did some makeup on. But most of the time, if I'm ready for work, I don't really wear makeup to work, but I just like to do my eyebrow and then do my lashes, or go in with some mascara and then go in with some red lipstick. It just make everything look so beautiful. So this is it. This is the hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think. And I really love the Cantu hair product. They're really nice. So far so good. I really loved it. And yeah, hope you all like this video, and I'll see you all on my next video. TeamFullest, peace out. Bye. Doeg.